trying to make him understand.
What?
Brother Pikachu failed in the exam today. That's why he's not showing his report card to anyone. He needs to take Grandma Simi's sign on it.
Pikachu? Pikachu, come here. Come here, dear. Were you both speaking this?
Yes. Sister Neha, sorry. I will get good mark. Sorry, this won't happen again. Sorry. I won't fail again.
Hey, look, I'm not getting angry on you since you failed, Pikachu, but you should tell your mom that you failed, right? Tell me. Tell her the truth. Don't lie to her. Go and tell her and study nicely the next time. So you will get good number.
Yes.
And what about you? Where is your report card? Grandpa, can I come in?
Yes, come.
I had brought milk for you.
Wow. Thank you.
I wanted to speak with you, Grandpa.
Go ahead.
Grandpa, actually, Aunt Simi is living in the outside and...
Good that you touched Simi's topic. I also wanted to speak to you about that.
Grandpa, you also want her to come back, isn't it? I had gone to explain her, Grandpa, but she was no in the state of mind to understand. I really don't understand what to tell her. Cannot agree with her living out alone like this.
Who? Who cannot agree? Hey, Simi has gone to the outhouse herself, right? It means that she's okay with it.
Yes, Grandpa, but I feel that she has understood her mistake and she has realized it. Let's not drag it too much.
Who's dragging it? You or me? No, I mean that today is just for the first day since Simi has gone to the outhouse. Do you think that she has realized her mistake so fast? And if she would have realized so fast, then Simi would not have behaved like that. And today she would not have had to go out and stay alone like this. Her son's condition would not have been what is it today.
Grandpa, but...
He has failed.
Grandpa, he has studied, but maybe during the exams...
You don't take his side. And it's not his fault at all. He's smart. This is a prime example of what happens to the kids if the parents don't pay attention. Pikachu's condition today is because of Simi. Everyone has tolerated her for all these years. They ignored his mistakes. We have been forgiving her due to kind-heartedness, that's why. The time has come up on her and us. That's why I say, we should not make those mistakes again. Let some time pass, we will see. Do you get me?
Yes, Grandpa. Wow!
Aunt Shefali!
Buddy! How are are you, dear?
I'm fine.
Is it?
What are you doing here so early in the morning? Boss uncle went to London along with friend.
I know, but I'm here to meet boss uncle's niece.
But I have to go school in the morning. Why did you come at such time? Will you wait till I come back?
Sorry, dear. I have office. I will have to go to the office.
Then when will we play? When will we have fun? I won't talk to you.
Hey, why won't you talk with me? Now tell me something. You have school and I have office. What do we do now? We will have to go to school and office, right? You please don't stop talking with me. Become my friend again.
No.
Please. Please.
But why did you come at my school time?
Sorry, dear. Fine. Now I promise you that I will only come on the day you have leave. Okay?
Okay, promise.
Promise. Yeah.
Yay!
Hi, Piku. What happened? Why did he leave like that?
He is a bit angry with me.
Angry?
Hmm.
My goodness, why?
I will tell you later. I am getting late now, right? Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget the promise.
I won't forget. What is wrong with this boy? The paper fell and he didn't notice. Hi, Grandpa.
Hey, Shivali.
Bless me.
Be happy, be happy, be happy. How are you?
I'm fine.
What? Are the wedding preparation done or not?
It's done. A little. I mean, once Ami sir is back, we can do it slowly.
Are you here to meet Neha now?
Yes. No, I mean Neha and you too. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Tell me, how do I look?
Very nice.
All right. Fine. How is Samir doing? Does he call you from abroad? Actually, he's not paying attention on me. He used to earlier dance around me calling me Jagu. Now he doesn't even call me. Does he call you or not?
No, I mean, he had called me the day before yesterday. He was going for shopping and I had given him a list.
Day before yesterday? So he calls you after every 2 days?
Yes.
What do you mean, yes? He has gone to Europe and not to some other planet. He cannot even call his future wife?
No, it's not like that, Grandpa. He has meeting and work, so he doesn't get time at all.
Hey, you don't take his side so much. I had gone to Europe 45 years ago for my business. I used to call my wife every night. And that time, there was no mobile phone or other means of wireless communication. Still, I used to call. Now you all have phones 24 hours of the day. Still, he doesn't call you.
Just see, Grandpa. Do you know that I and Neha had gone to London with office work?
Then what?
That time, I used to call him 10 times a day without fail.
Look,
I used to tell him daily that I'm doing this and that.
he won't be saying anything.
Not at all. And if I call him and ask, then he will say, yes, okay, fine, that's it.
No, there is only one remedy for it. Now, when you see him in front of you, then you should hold his ears and ask him up front. What is this? Is this the way to behave with his future wife?
You're right, Grandpa.
Hey, when did you come?
Hi, Neha.
Hi.
I came some time ago. First I met Pari and Pikachu. Then I thought that I will meet Grandpa before I meet you.
Listen, ma'am. She's complaining about her hubby. He doesn't call her.
Why? He had called day before yesterday, right? Day before yesterday. Grandpa, day before yesterday. It's been so many days. Forget that. Grandpa has told me to hold his ears once he's back, and I will do that only. Who behaves like this with his wife? Neha, come outside. Grandpa, I'll be back. That actually, this paper fell down from Pikuchu's bag. Check if it's important. It's Aunt Simmi's signature in this. And why would have Pikachu done all this? Hi, Pikachu.
Hi.
Pikachu, wait here. Did you take mom's signature on your report card?
Yes. I took yesterday itself.
All right. Where is the report card?
That I actually submitted that in my school.
Did you need mom's signature at many places?
No, only in one place.
So, your mom cannot sign?
Huh?
No, it seems as if you have practiced a lot, right?
Sister, why are you asking like that? Did something happen? Did the teacher call you from school?
No.
Then?
There is a mosquito here. Oh my goodness.
Come, Pikachu. Don't fear. Aunt Simmi?
Yes? Oh my goodness, Neha. Come. It's clean. What happened?
Pikachu, you should tell your mom what you have done. Tell her.
What happened? Pikachu, what did you do? Neha, what happened? You tell me if he's not saying anything.
Tell mom what has happened. You should tell her.
No, Sister Neha.
Pikachu, tell me.
Aunt, here.
Neha, these are my signatures.
He was practicing your signatures. He has done your fake signature on his report card.
Aren't you ashamed? Didn't you feel ashamed doing this? Huh? You... Who do you think you are? I will teach you. You did this. Huh? How dare you? How dare you? I will teach you a lesson. How dare you? How can you? Aren't you ashamed?
What are you doing? Don't beat him.
Come out right now or I will hit you. Did I teach you this? Aren't you ashamed? Huh? Is this the way to behave? How will we show our faces in school? You are doing my fake signatures now? Tomorrow you will do Papa and my signature and snatch the whole property. I will teach you a good lesson. You come out first.
Aunt, one moment. Hitting won't solve all the issues.
Neha, you don't come in between. What he has done, he should be beaten to pulp for the same. Come out, Pikachu.
Aunt, we can explain our kids nicely. I brought Pikachu here so that he can tell you the truth. Try to understand him, explain to him. He didn't have the courage to tell you. Because he knows that he made a mistake, but he faced the situation, Aunt. He is listening to what you are saying. Aunt, what he has done is not his mistake. Since the last few days, what situation is at our home or what's going on? After that, how can the kids concentrate on studies? Who is responsible if the kids behave like this? The kids or parents? Aunt, the kids learn more from what the parents do instead of whatever we tell them to do it. Come. Mom won't scold you. She won't scold you. But dear, if we get less marks in one exam, then that is not a big mistake, dear. It doesn't mean that you are too wrong or you are dumb, dear. You failed because you didn't study, that's it. You made a mistake by putting your wrong signatures on the report card. You didn't tell mom and dad about this, that's why you are wrong, dear. Mom and dad love you so much. They take care of you so much. They listen to everything you say. They even fulfill all your demands, right? So dear, if you make a mistake and mom and dad scolds you for that or beat you a little, then it's for your own good. Today you did fake signature of your mom. You might not know that it is wrong. But dear, if they find this out in school, then you may get punished. That's why you should tell everything to your mom and dad. Understand? Never lie to them. Look, dear, you are small now. You won't understand it. Once you grow up, then it will hurt you a lot. That's why we should tell everything to our parents about what we do. And mom and dad always forgive us. They will never get angry at us. Tell everything to mom and dad. Because they will only help you and understand you too, dear. Never lie to mom and dad.
Sorry, sister.
Don't say sorry to me. Tell sorry to mom.
Sorry, Mom. I will never like this again.
Pikachu, my darling. I also promise you something, okay? I'm sorry too. I promise that I will never beat you henceforth. I will understand you. I will listen to you. And I will explain to you if you don't understand something. Thank you, Neha. Okay? Good boy, okay? Study well and eat a lot.